Gente, estou aqui com uma pessoa que gosta muito de fitted hats.
Fitted hats.
Fitted hat, this is addicted. As you can see, his name is, as you can see above, his name is Brad Martino.
Yes.
How, Brad, your company, SICK Division, can help us Infusionsoft customers in Brazil?
Well, so at Sixth Division, what we focus on is helping people unlock the full power of Infusionsoft. So we've found over the last couple of years we've been working that a lot of people have Infusionsoft, they have ideas in their head, but they don't have the ability to take the ideas out of their head and actually get them implemented. So we've worked with, as you can see on the sign back here, worked with a lot of the ultimate marketers. We've worked with hundreds and hundreds of customers over the last couple of years, and we really focused on getting practical solutions in place that both allow them to tap into the full power of Infusionsoft, but also give them, there's a heavy focus on getting reporting and visibility and just simplifying the whole process.
One of the goals of Brad is to make ideas easy to understand and easy to implement.
Yes.
It is?
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
The one problem with you, Brad, is you speak fast for my listening, but it's good. I'm going to follow you in your conference too.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.